Welcome to Learnu. This is an introductory video for the online course on the 7QC tools and 8D problem solving. Let's take a look at what this course offers. So first, what are the 7QC tools? Management in a production facility has a lot of responsibilities, including process improvement and solving problems that arise on the shop floor. The 7QC tools are systematic tools based on scientific methods, specifically designed to solve problems, improve process effectively, and create permanent solutions, thereby enhancing the overall quality of production and services. In this course, we will focus on the objectives of the 7QC tools, the background of the 7QC tools, which includes a discussion of their history, conception, and evolution. We'll introduce the 7QC tools in an industrial context, covering why to use them, when to use them, and what exactly the 7QC tools are. Our approach to learning the 7QC tools and their applications will begin with an individual introduction to each of the 7QC tools. This will include definitions, overviews, general representations, and uses. Next, we'll move on to the procedures, describing how each of these tools can be applied to tackle specific issues that arise on the shop floor. Then, we'll discuss the benefits of solving problems, managing resources, processes, and manpower. Finally, we'll dive into case studies that cite real-life instances of dealing with problems encountered by industries and how using the appropriate 7QC tool helped solve them or improve their processes. The 8D problem-solving methodology is literally an 8-step systematic process that is primarily team-oriented in its approach. It is the most specialized version of the quality control process within the PDCA cycle, consisting of steps like planning, establishing a team, defining the problem, mitigating the effects of the problem, identifying the root causes of the problem, implementing corrective actions, actively communicating with team members for updates, and recognizing their efforts and achievements. This methodology is highly effective in problem solving. Finally, an 8D report must be produced at the end. The content we will cover related to the 8D methodology includes its history, what the 8D methodology is, why it's needed, and when it should be applied. We'll also discuss the obstacles and shortcomings that can occur during the problem-solving process, the importance of an 8D report, the steps followed in the 8D methodology, and the format used during the problem-solving procedure. The benefits of using the 7QC tools and 8D problem-solving in industries are substantial. These methods provide a well-structured path for problem-solving, encourage and promote teamwork, enable production engineers to find the root causes of problems and solve them permanently and effectively, and actually reduce the cost of poor quality. They also assist organizations in complying with customer-specific requirements for management concerns. Register today for our online course on the 7QC tools and 8D problem-solving methodology to become a better engineer and stand out in a competitive world.